Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free.
Today let us see how to prepare Sri Lankan omelette curry. For this, first let us prepare the omelette. Take a quarter cup of onions. To this add a quarter cup of tomatoes, 1 green chili chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, required amount of salt, 2 eggs, to this add 2 teaspoons of milk cream, or if you don't have milk cream, add 3 teaspoons of milk. This milk will make your omelette really smooth and fluffy. Now let us beat the eggs properly. So here the egg is ready. Pour some oil in a pan. Once it is hot, pour the egg mixture. Close this and cook for a few minutes. Here one side is ready. Let us flip this. The omelette is ready. We can take it out. I still have the egg mixture, so I am going to put another omelette. Once the omelette is ready, cut them into pieces. So here our omelette is ready. Let us move on to the curry. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add 1 cup of chopped onions, few curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give a nice saute. The raw smell of the ginger garlic paste has to go off. Let us add little salt so that the onion will cook faster. Once the onions are translucent, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Let us close and cook this for a few minutes. The tomatoes are finely cooked. Let us mash it once. Next is the masalas. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. We have to saute this well until the oil oozes out. Here the masalas got combined and you can see that the oil has oozed out. At this stage, add around 3 cups of coconut milk. You can use 1 small coconut or half of a big coconut to prepare the coconut milk. Here I have added 2 cups of coconut milk. Let me give a nice stir and add the other cup. And here goes the other cup of coconut milk. Now add the required amount of salt, give a nice mix, and we are going to cook this in low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this will definitely become little thick. And this is the right consistency. So the curry is ready. Now let us add omelette. Keep this on the flame for about a minute and then you can switch off the flame. So here our omelette curry is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.